Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to study chapter 14, prepositions. So what is preposition? A preposition is a word that relates a noun, a pronoun or a phrase to some other words in a sentence. Understood? Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and some other word in a sentence. As it is clear by the name, preposition, right? So it tells about its position. It says about its position or relationship between with a noun or pronoun or some other word. Okay, so is it clear? Let's start. Pre plus position is called preposition. Now, just some boxes and rats are given here, and you need to identify the correct preposition. Here, the rat is in the box. Okay, and now the rat is on the box. The rat is under the box. And then the rat is over the box. The rat jumps over the box. Okay? The rat is behind the box. And the rat is in front of. Clues are already given in the boxes, and you need to fill the correct one. Here, some location, time, and movement words are given in the table, which you need to go through. Okay? Now, preposition often confused. Here are some preposition and we get confused about them. So, let's try to understand it deeply. The first one is above. Above means at a higher level, and above means directly above, on the top of or across. ठीक है, सीधे पार निकल जाना. For example, he raised his hand above his head. She is above all her friends in intelligence. Now look at this structure. The plane flew over the sky. She put her hand over his head. After, behind, before. Where do we use after? After generally refers to time and behind refers to place. Like, please meet her after a month. आवर हाउस इज़ बिहाइंड द चर्च. जो जब कोई चीज़ किसी के पीछे होती है तो हम बिहाइंड लगाते हैं, और बाद के सेंस के लिए हम आफ्टर का यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, बिफोर. बिफोर कैन बी यूज्ड टू रिफर बोथ टाइम एंड place. For example, I reached the station before her. Alright, so here station is a place and it's telling about that. Now the thief stood before the policeman. Okay, so he just stood before the policeman. Policeman के सामने खड़ा हुआ. Clear? Now beside and besides. Beside means by the side of or near, and besides means in addition to, जिसको हम हिंदी में अलावा कहते हैं. ठीक है. अनु sat beside her child, वो उसके बगल में बैठी. Besides books I gave her some money too, मतलब पैसे के अलावा भी मैंने उसको क्या दिया, सॉरी बुक्स के अलावा भी मैंने उसको कुछ पैसे भी दिए. ठीक है. Between is used for two and among is used for more than two, as I have already mentioned in the classroom while teaching. For example, the apple was divided between the two sisters. When there are two persons, at that time we use between, and for more than two persons we use among. For example, distribute these chocolates among the students. Now, look at below, under, beneath. Below indicates lower space or position. Under indicates contact, मतलब उसका connection होता है, उसका कोई contact होता है उस surface में जिसमें कि वो छुपा होता है या जिसके नीचे होता है. ठीक है. और below का मतलब क्या होता है, किसी चीज़ के नीचे. Like my English book was kept beneath the pile of the books. Beneath refers to the lower position as well as lower place. For example, she is much below her companion in understanding. Here it means she is she is below her age in understanding. ठीक है. Her IQ level is not at that extent. Students getting below 60 marks are not eligible to apply. Means the students who are not who is not obtained, who has not obtained 60 marks, they are not eligible to apply. नेक्स्ट, शी पुट द लेटर अंडर हर पिलो. अब वहाँ पे एक सरफेस मिला कि उसके पिलो के नीचे रख दिया. देन द कैट वॉज सिटिंग अंडर द टेबल. टेबल है, एक सरफेस है, उसके नीचे वो बैठी. शी वॉज स्टैंडिंग बीनीथ हर ट्री. अब पेड़ के नीचे. She considers such job beneath her status, means underrated. Okay. By often denotes the agent and with denotes the instrument. For example, the mouse was killed by the farmer. तो यहाँ पर killed by the farmer, यहाँ पे by एक agent है and instrument क्या है, stick से मार दिया. The tree was cut her with an axe. तो यहाँ पे by is an agent and this is an instrument. Clear? In and at. इन इज़ जनरली यूज्ड विद द नेम्स ऑफ स्ट्रीट्स. मतलब जब आप किसी चीज़ स्ट्रीट के अंदर हो, गली के अंदर हो, शहर के अंदर हो, स्टेट के अंदर हो, तो वहाँ पर हम इन लगाते हैं. At is use the name of villages and small towns for telling about the exact place. However, as per current practice, it is in which is used in most of the cases. To be more precise, we can say in is used when we are talking about a places as an area, and at is used to tell about the exact point. For example, I live at Chowk in Ayodhya. Understood? So Ayodhya is a greater place and I'm talking about Chowk, that is exact place. Fine. Now look at this. Into. In means already within an area or space, and into refers to movement. Like she jumped into the river, and there is a motion and movement when she jumped. That's why we are putting into. And in का मतलब होता है उस space के अंदर जहाँ movement नहीं हो. ठीक है. Next, in within. In means the whole of the mentioned time, whereas within means before the end of the mentioned time. For example, I shall come back in an hour. So an hour मतलब कि अंत में आ जाऊँगा. ठीक है. और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, she returned within an hour, मतलब 1 घंटे के अंदर अंदर, पूरा नहीं हुआ रहेगा तभी आ जाएगी. ठीक है. Of belongs to relating to, and of means away from a place or a distance. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द हाउस ऑफ माई सिस्टर इज़ वेरी बिग. तो यहाँ पर ये बिलोंगिंगनेस पोजीशन को शो कर रहा है. और हियर शी फेल ऑफ, मतलब वो सेपरेट हो गई, अलग हो गई. नेक्स्ट इज ऑप अपॉन. On means something already on the place of thing mentioned. Upon refers the movement. जैसे कि मैंने कहा the apple is kept on the table. तो यहाँ पे on का मतलब हुआ कि उस टेबल के ऊपर है, और upon का मतलब हुआ कि उसमें movement हो रही है. For example, the cat jumped upon the table. मतलब वो जो कैट है वो पहले टेबल पे जंप करी और फिर वहाँ से उसमें मूवमेंट हुआ और वो नीचे की तरफ जंप कर गई. अंडरस्टैंड? और जब बिना सरफेस के टच करके जंप कर जाए, दैट इज़ वेयर वी यूज्ड ओवर. Next, till to. Till is used to refer to time and to is used to refer to place. For example, she did not come till evening. अब ये पूरा टाइम बता रहा है. She walked to the end of the forest. Now, since, for and from. Since and for are used in perfect continuous tenses to show for how long or since when the action denoted by the verb has been going on. So it also tells time. Clear? For example, he has been dancing since morning. Next, she has been waiting for you for 3 months. Again, time is telling. She works from morning to evening. The train is coming from Mumbai. तो यहाँ पे from ये place बता रहा है. ठीक है. Place और time दोनों बताने के sense में use होते हैं. Now try out one. So let's do this. Now, how often are you absent from school? So what do we fill here? From. Next, have you ever been punished for doing something? Are you used to living in this locality? Do you know some student living near the school? What were you fond of? Options are given, juice or coffee. Fond के साथ में off ही लगाते हैं. What are you fond of? What are the 3 things you are afraid of? Afraid of भी एक fixed preposition होता है. Does your mother get angry with? ठीक है. Is your teacher really annoyed with you? Annoyed with. Next, do you agree to? Next, how do you use English when we want to apologize to our friend? Next, here, preposition with means of transport. So usually we use by boat, by bus, by ship, by air, by bicycle. Understood? Now, she went on motorbike. We shall go in our car. So these are the preposition which we use for that. ठीक है? It is important to remember that the preposition on is used to refer a specific motorbike, bus, plane, ship or train, and the preposition is used to mean a specific car, taxi, van. Like I was going in bus, I was going in your car, I was going in your taxi. Now underline the prepositions. Here, this is tryout 2. So what are we supposed to do? We need to just underline it. So the first one, tags are special codes in is what? Preposition. Now the next, two documents located in a computer's network are hypertext. So here again in. Okay? Next one, the title of. Between is what? Preposition. Then the term hypertext was coined by. The web pages can be found on. Next, it is important to remember some point. What are they? Many preposition combined with verbs to form phrasal verbs. तो जब आपका preposition होता है ये verb के साथ में मिल जाता है तो phrasal verb बना लेता है और idiomatic sense देता है. Then these verbs then gain a new meaning which is quite different from their original meaning. That's why look up, look after, act upon, give up, put on. तो यहाँ पे on phrase हो गया और ये verb के साथ मिल करके इसने क्या किया? phrases बना लिए, phrasal verbs बना लिए. Understood? Words followed by preposition. तो कुछ word होते हैं जो कुछ preposition को follow करते हैं which you need to read. For example, according to, afraid of, agree to, amazed at. और जब आप किसी प्रपोजल पर अग्री करते हैं, किसी चीज़ से अग्री करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम टू प्रेपोजिशन लगाते हैं. लेकिन जब किसी पर्सन से आप एग्री करते हैं वी यूज़ अग्री विद. नाउ एंग्री विद. और किसी चीज़ पर आप नाराज़ हैं तो एंग्री एट लगाते हैं. अपोलोजाइज टू अ पर्सन, अपोलोजाइज फॉर समथिंग. बिलोंग टू सम पर्सन और बिलोंग टू सम प्लेस. बिवेयर ऑफ, कंप्लेन टू. और अगर किसी के अगेंस्ट में करना है देन कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑन, ड्यू टू, फेथफुल टू. देन fond of, grateful to. And when you are grateful on something, grateful for something, then we use grateful for something. Jealous of, junior to, protect from, satisfied with, wait for, wonder at. So these are some certain prepositions which we where we do not make any changes, we just use as it is. Clear? I'll be there at, because I'm talking about the certain time. Wait for me, wait for होता है. ठीक है. Next, look at. Look at means stare. Look at the stars shining in the sky. Next, Nehru was born on in 1889. The cat jumped into the well. क्योंकि कुएं में कूद रही है तो उसमें मोशन होगा. That's why we will write here into. Next one, I haven't met her since Monday. Perfect tense है तो यहाँ पर हम since का यूज़ करेंगे. The vegetables were washed by the maid. Next one, the snake was killed by. यहाँ पर by agent है. The farmer with a stick and with is what? Instrument. से मारा उसको. Leaves fell off. यहाँ पर separation है तो OFF लगाएंगे. The trees in autumn. Next, come and sit with me. Sit with me. ठीक है. Next, the teacher was angry with. Next one, she complained to the principal. Complained to the principal. अब किस लिए किया? उसके अगेंस्ट में किया. AGANST. She complained the principal against the rude behavior of those boys. He was faithful to his master. We should be grateful to our teachers for their guidance. Clear? Next one, 14th. She lives at 50 Bose Street. We are talking about at specific street. Don't fight with me. He stayed at a hotel in Mumbai from 1st June to 15th June. Now you need to find out some errors. I was angry on नहीं होगा, I was angry with. Okay, now besides a Ford, she has a Fiat car. अब इसके अलावा in addition to का सेंस जा रहा है, तो in addition to के सेंस में हम besides यूज़ करते हैं, beside में s लगा देते हैं. क्लियर? मुंबई इज़ फेमस फॉर होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम indebted to. Next, we go to school on foot. Next, she has been ill since. Since is the correct option. It's 10 o'clock by my watch. He laughed at you. ये कुछ certain है. They are knocking at the door. Next, children are usually fond of होता है. Understood? You should never be afraid of. Next one, the river flowed. The river flowed under the bridge. Next, I need to buy a pen. She fell off. अब यहाँ पे separation का सेंस है तो O double F हो जाएगा. She fell off the horse. She lives in, क्योंकि into movement के लिए लगता है. She lives in a small flat near my house. Floor is made of. So here single of. Separation में O double F लगाते हैं. Understood? तो यहाँ पे separation नहीं हो रहा है. Next one, there are 22 preposition in the grid. Can you find them? So let's find out. Okay. I'm just telling you how you could find out. At is there and then across. I'm not मैं सारे को तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just helping you in doing a few. Now beside, between. Okay, so that just rest you find out. Fine. Bye everyone.